photos are from our trip to Japan this summer 2010. Our hotel was in Shinagawa, Tokyo. This is Shinagawa station at rush hour. It was really crowded as you can see. The next day, we went to the Ueno Science Museum. The museum had exhibitions of various animals, dinosaurs, and many other things. The next day, we went to Tsukiji fish market in the early morning to see the tuna auction. Then we went to a cat cafe in Shinjuku. The next day, we went to Kamakura in Kanagawa Prefecture, about an hour southwest of Tokyo. There you can see temples, shrines, and other historical monuments. After that, we went to a small island called Enoshima. We got to the island by boat. The next day, we went to Shibuya to visit the statue of Hachi-ko. This is Tokyo Disney Sea. There are 7 different